Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to change column name. So example, I will create text in this column. You can type example and another I will set example 1. If you select this column, it will be show for G1 and you can click at this point. You can type example, press enter to apply. So if you select the G column, it will be show for the example. Also in H, I will type example 1 and press enter to apply. Now, you also can hide these columns, GHIG, or in the row. You can go to File, click Option, and go to Advanced. Scroll down. Now you can uncheck for show row and column header. You can uncheck and click OK. It will be automatically hide the columns and rows. If you want to select to the bottom here, you can press Ctrl Shift and down arrow like this. Okay, I will select again at this point. You can press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to change column name. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.